Rise and shine, buddy. Every morning is an opportunity to become a better version of yourself. Remember, the pain you feel today will be the strength you feel tomorrow. Repeating your workout routine is crucial for achieving results as it helps your body adapt and improve over time. When you perform the same exercises repeatedly, you master the movements, patterns, and create a strong mind body connection, which enhances your performance and efficiency in those movements. Repetition is the key to seeing results from your workout, but it's also important to track your progress and make adjustments as needed to continue making gains.